absolutely. You know, the question is that can there be an unbiased, free and fair investigation? It looks unlikely when you have a team of doctors, all of them government doctors, giving him a certificate in which it is said that he suffered a cardiac arrest, which was false. So there are several false theories that have been built around this year. Perhaps the court has not been informed, and the cops should inform the court through their lawyers, and that, you know, what really happened in those 2 days. Why was the seer on his way to Haveri, from where the cops had information that he could travel or escape to Dubai? His passport and other documents were found missing also from his mutt. So several questions unanswered, and particularly to do with investigation. Harish continues to be with us. We also have Amber Zaidi. She is a social activist. Sumitra Goenka is member of the Center for Knowledge, Sovereignty and Policy Analyst. We also have RahulEaswar. Rahul, I'm going to come to you first. You know, one theory after another being seen as bogus. Why is Seer not ready to face law? Why is he running away or escaping appearance before the court? And finally, the court also sounding miffed and telling the cops that how can he be moved to a hospital without their permission? So several questions now, and this entire theory that he had a cardiac arrest, he had a heart attack, and then you see him next on a wheelchair being wheeled inside the courtroom.
None of us are medical experts. It will be best left to the doctors regarding a medical opinion, and none of the people who are from the medical field may have enough expertise to comment on that. Yes, the Seer is respected. People across the board respect it. They may have given some accommodation to him. These are all obvious for the plain sight. But the more core point is there is a conspiracy behind it? If there is a kind of angle behind it? These are the things that we should be very strict about.
Okay, then tell me, if there is a conspiracy, okay, Rahul, if you speak about a conspiracy, and you have been talking about the conspiracy for the last 3 days on my shows as well, I want to understand from you then, why was he running away? Why was he planning to go to Dubai?
He was not running away. He was not running away. He was not running away. Nobody was running away. He was not running away. He's a respected Seer. He's a very known person. He cannot go away like that. So nobody was running away in that sense.
Okay, Sumitra Goenka,
he's a very
respected Seer is all right. For all of you to continue to say that he's a noble man, he may be noble, but the question is that his conduct certainly isn't. And today he's a rape accused number 1, who has been booked under POCSO Act. So let's look at the facts of the case before continuing to prejudice it. Sumitra Goenka, come in on this.
Yeah, hi Maria. I think this is something which needs further investigation. He is a respected person, no doubts, but at the same time we have to see that whenever it comes to such kind of people, who are famous and who are, self-styled godmen, or people who are seers or people who are bishops, like we saw in the case of Franco Mulakal, it took a long time, and he was said to be a rapist. He was given, prime time shows on television channels as well. So, but somehow he came out of this. The nuns never got justice if you look at from that angle. But this thing like rapes and all this thing, today NCRB says that more than 31,677 rape cases have been registered in 2021 as per the data. So this should not be treated as a separate case because this person is a respected person or seer. Let the investigations happen in a proper way. Let the facts come out. Nobody should, consider him to be convicted as of now and give any statements. I think let all the facts come out. It should take proper investigations, and we should not pass any comments as such. But at the same time, I think that the government, the judicial system, all should act fast. It is very important to get proper justice here. What we see is these cases take years and years, and then finally justice is denied in most of these cases. So there is a reform which is required in the judicial system, in the case of forensics, investigations, the methodology of investigations. I think a lot of things needs to happen in India as of now, because we are talking about 86 rape cases on an average every day. And these people, whether they are seers or whether they are belonging to a particular community, whether it's a bishop, these are all monsters. If they are proved to be rapists, they are all monsters. We should move
Yes,
out
and
of the
these are
religion thing
powerful,
here.
influential
Yeah,
individuals
we should move
who
out of the
misuse
religious
their
practice
position
here.
of authority in indulging in such heinous crimes. Amber Zaidi, the point being made here is let the investigation happen, as RahulEaswar did. But so far, the investigation hasn't been fair. The protocols and the procedures haven't been followed.
Absolutely right. That's why we always demand that such cases time again comes into the debates, and we debate every time, because such cases are increasing every day, and the numbers are increasing as earlier the co-panelist has also mentioned that how the numbers are increasing. So the main point is that we need to make the judicial amendments because there are some errors that need to be rectified, because our judicial system is more of accused-friendly rather victim-friendly, and always the onus is on victim to prove the crime that she already has been through such a thing. And in the cases like sexual crime against women, we need to make the law more stringent and quick, so that the victims can, they can get justice fast and quick. And even after getting created the fast trial court, they are not getting the justice on time. And justice, as you say, justice delayed is justice denied. And in order to to make these things all right, to make our women safe and secure, we need to work in these directions. And in that order, we need to, first of all, we need to work on judicial reforms. And people are like activists, and so many judicial activists are also demanding the same for a long time. It's high time that we focus on the right direction. We need to make things all right from the beginning, so that we can create a better environment for our girls around us.
Yes, absolutely. Is there